How's it going, everybody? My name is Quickstrop. Welcome back to the futures analysis. I didn't do one yesterday. I was pretty tired, and also it was storming pretty heavily outside. Not storming, it wasn't raining, but it was just constant thunder. Uh, and I was also eating, so my dogs were barking and crap. So I don't know. I didn't feel like it would be a very good episode. So, I just figured we'd come back now. So we had a bit of a holy shit, what happened here? Okay, that was the 20th, so that was... Alright, so... Probably best I didn't do futures analysis, because I wouldn't have been able to say anything here. But we had this ridiculous drop here on the 20th, which I believe was Sunday, around midnight, which would have been exactly whenever I started to do my futures analysis. This massive drop, and we somehow regained it all in one day, and now we're breaking past our previous resistance point. So if we can make it past, well, we already have. If we continue this bullish rally here, I think we have a pretty good chance of breaking like 42.32. But other than that, we're more likely to sort of come back down and figure out a nice spot to stop before we head up again. Onto the NASDAQ futures. Okay, it's a little bit, I don't know what's going on with futures lately, man. This one's a lot less hectic. So what I assumed would happen here is I remembered, I hoped that it would stop sort of halfway and then bounce up, unlike over here where we bounced up and came all the way down to where we started. So here we did get like sort of a 30%, so like that's 2%, and then that's... Yeah, so about, I don't know, 45%. So if, like, we bounced like 45% the way up. Definitely not bad, but I personally wanted to see something like this. But this is still good because we have really gotten past any chance of an actual downtrend now that we've made several new lows. 1, 2, 3, 4. All these lows are coming up. And our highs are starting to taper off as well as volume decreases in the middle of the night, which tells me that we're probably going to do something like this before we find support down at the bottom. But other than that, let's go ahead and take a look at the volume futures. Pretty interesting here. So we dropped critically below this super important support zone, but we gained it back immediately, and we've already reverted past this critical zone that we were in previously. So I think we've got a really good chance to sort of follow this arrow a little bit and continue back upward. This could be the reversal points. It's a pretty good spot for us to do it. We took our bad beating and we're already starting to turn around. We haven't had a red candle in a couple of hours. So I think it's likely... Hold on. What in the world happened to my view here? Hold on. Okay, I think it's likely that we see a couple of red candles, but... Ultimately, it feels like this is a really good spot for us to turn around and continue back upward due to just the strong price action that we're seeing. And that's going to be about it. If we do come down again, though, we're more likely to come down and be somewhere in this green zone before we head back up, although I do think it's actually a little bit unlikely for us to go down at all at this point, considering just all this bullish volume that we've had. That's gonna be about it, fellas and fellarettes. So hopefully, fellas enjoyed. Also, this was the futures analysis for Tuesday, June 22nd. Sorry about that. Forgot to mention that. That's gonna be about it. Have a nice day and goodbye.